What is up, vlog? Right now I am at my house. It is the day before the full on Empire beach episode. Crazy. Hey vlog, what's up? It is currently beach day. I am going to be missing my sister's birthday celebration, but also like an Empire was planning this before my sister said that she wasn't gonna be here. What's up, vlog? It is officially beach day. I don't know if anyone else in our Empire has met yet, but me and Kat ordered Dunkin'. We're on the way to Dunkin', and then we're gonna head over to Gabby. Yeah.
Hey, I'm going to the podcast to make a voice note. Tell her to hurry up.
Okay, vlog. We had a few small hiccups on the way, but now we're officially on the way to the beach.
Zach, if you are watching this, please don't snitch. Bro, Zach, if you are watching this, don't snitch and be a traitor to the trio again. Don't be an op.
$50 short already. How do I lose $50 and it's been like 10 minutes?
I know. And we still have an hour and 13 minutes to go before we actually get to the beach.
I'm so excited to swim.
Me too.
I love swimming. Okay, hey vlog. We just had poopy time. Stopped out Dunkin'. We're on the road, keeping watch in case Lizzie crashes. She's being really rebellious right now. Yeah, I am. At the boardwalk, we're gonna get piercings, tattoos, everything. Yeah. Go, 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 go. All right, deep throating that thing.
What's up, vlog? We are now officially like 30 something minutes away, and me and Kat have just been like talking, yapping.
Talk about work.
We said 2 times we were gonna stop talking about work, and then like almost immediately after we went back to talking about work. And on our way here, I have officially resigned from my job.
It has been a very fun journey so far. Only a few hiccups. We almost lost Lizzie on the way, but then we caught up to her. Cece said that she's vlogging her experience. Hopefully she hasn't sucked booty at it.
Hope we don't get copyrighted.
Oh yeah. Womp womp.
Whoops.
Ocean City, we're so close yet so far.
29 minutes. Oh Lord.
We're almost there. This is our view right now.
Oh, it's actually cute.
Look at that Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel is cute. Oh, I love the Ferris wheel. I like it too. I've seen it. Oh, that's really cool. Oh no, that's different. Ferris wheel is different. No, I have like a fear of heights, but it like completely disappears whenever I go on rides. Yeah. And Ferris wheels. But yeah, we're like basically here. Steve's like probably already here.
I feel like Lizzie memorized this whole way here.
I know.
GPS. Turn right onto 5th Street. Thank God I had Lizzie because my GPS broke.
Yeah.
It said we were driving in a lake.
We would have been like so
Quarters
lost.
of a mile. The destination is on your right. Foxtrot Lodge.
Anyway, vlog, we're basically here. We're just looking for the parking lot.
There's a bunch of street parking.
Yeah. We're gonna gonna be like meeting up with them very soon and like getting everything and then heading over. But we're in Ocean City!
In half a mile, the destination.
Yeah, so we just gotta hope he
Boom.
doesn't fish.
An Empire. Got my beach day. Finally made it out of the group chat.
I'm so impressed that we actually are all here at the same time in the same moment. Surprised Lizzie's mom didn't track her down.
But there was an old man that almost killed us.
Oh yeah, the old man almost killed us. You saw? Oh, that car? Yeah.
Yeah.
And he like looked at us meanly when we.
As if it was.
Who beat? Did he beat or did someone behind us?
What's up, vlog? We're at the beach. Here's Cece. Here's Lizzie and Kat. Where the fuck did they go? Oh. And then Gabby and Brandon are down there. But the beach, we finally made it.
Finally. Got my hair. Why is it flying up?
What is up, vlog? We got B-Dog here right now. And all the way over there, we got Cece and Gabby. We've been here for like 2 hours. Back there, we got Dee and Nick and Allie's back there. Lizzie and Kat are somewhere in the ocean. I don't feel like finding them from over here. We're chilling. Brandon's been calling his school. It's been like an hour and he's still like nonchalant or something. They're over there finding crabs. They're so silly. Hey vlog, we've been walking the boardwalk a little bit. They got some chicken peats, casserole.
I always say that.
Susie's got her wawa. I got a lemonade.
JJ. Hi. Hi people. We got, look at this place. Ooh. Look at what kind of candy.
What's the plan?
Or whenever we get done.
I was just gonna say like when we get tired. Like,
We're trying crystal candy. I spent $15 on it, so hopefully it's good.
Okay, I'll get the little ones out. Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay, wait. Wait, if you stop, that's a big.
Don't mind that my hand is wet.
Oh. It is squishy than it's squishy than
I thought it'd be.
Bite the big one. Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can't bite it.
How much was that? $15?
Yeah, I'm not good.
They scammed your ass.
I don't like mine.
That's so bad.
She wanted to rip the head off.
that bad.
What? I can have the head?
Yeah.
maybe because you're just used to gluten-free, dairy-free, milk-free stuff.
Because I'm used to the gross stuff. Wait, video this.
I can't believe how bad that game is.
Hey vlog, we're officially going on the Gale Force ride.
It took way too much time, way too much tickets. Now we're waiting for Brabby.
Where we go on the ride.
Everybody's tired and overstimulated. I mean, I'm ready to go all night.
Lizzie's having phone time because she's sitting out. Here's Kat. What's up vlog? Right now, we're getting our tickets.
For log flume, yay!
We just went on the Gale Force and that shit was fire.
It was really fun. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's really fast. It's faster than you think.
Gigi was screaming the entire time.
Yeah. I think I stopped at the end to close my eyes.
Yeah. Either way, it was so fun. Would recommend.
Thank you, Lizzie.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog, we're going. Wait, you gotta do this. Or after. It'd be after a long flume. When I'm pretty wet too. Well, my whole bottom is drenched. Crit is pretty wet.
We fucking saw Robbie and Lizzie in the fucking house without us.
Yeah.
And Gigi tickets that she bought.
Like damn, bro.
$100 worth of tickets.
Wait, look at the view. Wait. Oh, if I drop my phone, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we should go on that.
The double shot.
Ooh, wait, look at this view. Wow. We got Katrina and Lizzie right by us.
Oh yeah, look, Katrina, Lizzie.
Brandon and Gabby are pussies. Well, just Brandon.
Oh,
Look at that.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Get into a fight.
Yeah.
Like you and Cece.
Are you just recording me? This is how like them police officers feel when like they do a traffic stop and there's just like that random fucking dude just like, I know my rights. I know my rights.
Wait, dap up for the vlog.
See y'all. Actually, good luck. Bye bye.
Have fun with your pizza.
Bye. Oh.
Gigi, don't get knocked up. Bye. Oh, no baby. Bye guys, I'll never see you ever again on different going somewhere tomorrow. No.
Nah. Bye.
It's so warm.
Let me go first. I went in the wrong lane.
Yes, you can go in front. I went in the wrong line because I was like, where are they turning?
Well, I said go in the right lane and I mixed up my rights and lefts.
Then I go right away.
Probably all gonna be so.
Can I go?
Go. Oh. What's on high school marching band? Silver poison paradise. I'm addicted to you. That's toxic. Woodtown High School marching band. Rubbish.
They know. You guys don't fight too.